So the other day I was playing this game called Suika or Watermelon game on my phone when I decided to put on my 3D glasses. And I was shocked. It's not in 3D. So then I decided in this video I will be Okay, so first let me tell you how this game will be playing. So the view of the fruits will basically be the exact same, but this time the fruits and boundaries will be in 3D. Also, there will be an option to move the camera from left to right. So before I made the project, I actually booted up Blender and started making the fruits. Okay, so here are all the fruits on the ring of evolution. Also, I think now it's time to tell you how I will split this video. So right now we have just completed step 1, which was making the fruits. Now we are entering step 2, which is programming the main game. Anyways, after making the fruits, I added background and made a 3D stage. Now it's time to start programming the actual game. So I started off by making the dropping system. As you can see, we can move the character left and right, but also forwards and backwards. After that, I worked on the dropping system, and here it is. Wait, what the f***? Okay, here it actually is. You can see they clearly are physics based and stuff. You can see you get a random fruit and they drop correctly. Although, if you couldn't tell already, yeah, these don't merge, so let's get working on that. Oh, I actually don't know how to do that. Well, damn, that was quick. Wait, never mind. So basically all I did was give this fruit certain IDs which rank from the first on the ring of evolution all the way until the watermelon. When the code finds a match with the IDs, it checks if they've collided, and if they did, they make a new fruit. Now it's time for step 3, which is adding the miscellaneous stuff. So I started off by making the scores for combining the fruits, which is 100% accurate to the original. I also made a camera system which moves by pressing the 1, 2, and 3 keys. And lastly, I finished the main menu, which is also 100% accurate to the original. After that, I made my favorite part, which was the toon shading, which replicated the original outlines of the fruits from the game. Anyways, you can actually play this game with the link in the description, and it's actually pretty addicting, so I warned you. Anyways, the shoutouts are Adam Mady, Cool Videos, Gamer Kirit Gamer, Fellow Fudge, Juicy Dev, and Smileless Production. If you want to shout out, just ask for it. Anyways, subscribe, like, comment, and bye.